Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this water layer effect in UE5 material, and this is whole material. You can see I'm previewing on a planar. So this is all done in material nodes. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. So let's create a material photo. And basically, if you have any texture, like you have this, let me make some space. You have this aura, this texture, and if I preview that, so this is like even because I'm seeing it in from the front. But if I tilt it like this perspective, so the image when it's going far,